Hey, guess what?
We're in.
Yasmite place.
Yeah, it's
We've got
wonderful.
little waterfall that's right behind Allie's head.
Ah.
See, it's beautiful.
Yeah, we brought along a chair because we thought we'd need it. Because yeah.
See, it's right there.
Hello, beautiful chair.
We're sitting on the chair and then we're talking to you behind this little thing. Oh my god, a skunk just sprayed me. Do you smell that?
Oh, that smells right.
Get it away from me. I know what to do with my phone.
It died.
It died. She hit it with this totem pole thing, and I hit it with my cell phone. And I don't get any coverage out here because you know what? I'm at the moon, baby. But I brought this little waterfall thing with me.
Yeah.
Pretty rockin'.
Sooner or later, we're gonna go back to the house and we're gonna talk about random stuff about her and Alec.
No, you and Dylan.
You and Alec.
You and Dylan. I'm not going out with Alec. You're going out with Dylan.
I know I'm going out with Dylan. Your point is?
Yuck.
Look, I'm gonna set the totem pole at the very top of there. Okay, just watch me. Oh, I won't take it. What sucks? Look, I'm holding it. I'm a big giant. Okay.
She's pole dancing.
Yes, I was grabbing onto like a non-object. It was so magical.
Oh my god, you
Look.
have a rock.
Okay.
She's a pole dancing around my pole.
No,
Just
I'm
say
hugging
that's
a waterfall. See?
Look at my eyes.
Look at my eyes. I'm a hungry little guy. But look what I can do. Look what I can do.
Yes.
Look, I'm missing.
I'm coming to eat you.
Look at him. Oh! Oh! Go right through me. Yes, I'm very magical.
It's not going in my mouth. My god.
Alright, well, we're gonna go back because we hate being giants.
The
Later.
Giants got this little moon place with this little waterfall thing and my best friend and a little house that I'm going to jump into. And so
Later.
are you. So guess what? You're coming with me to my
House.
my crib, man.
My crib.
My crib. I'm gonna talk to you later. See ya.
Later.